So your PC caught something. It's slow, ads keep popping up, or your browser is acting possessed, and somebody on Reddit told you to run Tron Script. Here's the thing. Tron is genuinely powerful, but it might also be complete overkill for what's wrong with your computer. And it can take anywhere from 45 minutes to 12 hours. So before you commit to that, give me 2 minutes, because there's a good chance you can fix the problem without the sledgehammer, and I'll show you exactly when you actually need it. Let's give credit where it's due. Tron Script is a batch file that automatically runs a whole sequence of serious malware tools, including TDSS Killer, Malwarebytes, ADW Cleaner, and the Kaspersky Virus Removal tool. It also cleans temporary files, repairs Windows, and removes bloatware. It's a powerful toolkit, the kind of thing a technician might use in a repair shop. And that's important, because even the creator of the most popular Tron tutorial says the tool is designed for technicians, and warns that you can break your system if you don't use it correctly. So Tron is powerful, but that doesn't mean it's the right first step for everyone. Here's what running Tron actually looks like. First, you download an unfamiliar executable, and Windows Smart Screen may immediately warn you about it. Then you run it as administrator, accept a disclaimer, and wait, potentially for hours. During the process, multiple scanners launch, Task Manager fills with processes, and your PC may reboot. For someone who doesn't know exactly what's happening, the whole process can be intimidating. And there's another risk. Tron includes a debloat stage that removes pre-installed software. That's useful in some cases, but users have also reported unwanted side effects, including problems with Windows components. That doesn't make Tron bad, it just makes it a big tool. And many infections don't require that level of intervention. Here's what I do first. Run MalwareFox. Most infected PCs aren't dealing with some advanced rootkit. More often, it's Adware, a browser hijacker, a potentially unwanted program bundled with a free download, or a common Trojan. For those everyday infections, you probably don't need a multi-hour technician script. MalwareFox is a fast scanner. Download it, start a scan, and it can quickly detect and remove threats without making broad changes across your operating system. No surprise reboots, no debloating Windows, no removing unrelated apps. It targets the infection and leaves the rest of the system alone. This is especially useful for adware and potentially unwanted programs that can sometimes slip past traditional antivirus detection. And unlike a heavy antivirus suite, MalwareFox is designed to be lightweight and straightforward to use. So if your actual problem is everyday adware or a hijacked browser, you may be finished before Tron would even get properly started. So here's the rule I'd follow. Don't think of this as Tron versus MalwareFox. Think of it as the correct order of operations. Step 1. Run MalwareFox. If it removes the adware, browser hijacker, PUP, or other common threat, you're done. Step 2. If the problem survives, keeps coming back, or you're dealing with something more serious, such as a stubborn rootkit or deep Windows damage, that's when Tron earns its place. Try the fast, targeted fix first. Then bring out the heavy tools only when you've confirmed you actually need them. That's not anti-Tron. It's simply avoiding a multi-hour repair process for a problem that a quick scan could solve. I'll put the MalwareFox download link in the description so you can try that first scan. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next.